professional cooking and baking and service program is one of inclusion for travel and hospitality. We like to be open to new ideas and new people, as well as their food. During the professional cooking baking service program, you can earn credit at College of DuPage as well as Joliet Junior College.
The most unique thing about this program is that we treat it like an actual workplace. We have a fully functional kitchen with multiple tools and equipment that you wouldn't see at a standard high school.
We understand that all students are coming to us with different ability levels, from novice to conceived experts. And we take those students and meet them where they're at and bring them to where they want to go.
It's been wonderful. I love both of the chefs. They were great teachers. Had an amazing time here.